Hey guys, I'm Afreen and thanks for joining my channel. So if you have a dry skin, then you have to look after your skin. You have to moisturize your skin. This is the only key by which you can get rid of your dry skin. You have to moisturize your skin twice in a day, and you have to look after your hands, legs, full body if you have a dry skin. And in this video I will give you three home remedies for dry skin which definitely works for any kind of dry skin. So wash it off. So my first remedy is aloe vera. Use aloe vera. If you have aloe vera plant at your home, or you can simply apply the leaf of aloe vera and just leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. It will give a definitely result to your skin. And my second DIY is ultimate. You can take cream. I mean cream. When I say cream, it doesn't mean that cream. It means fresh cream which is called malai, which is known as malai. You can take malai, okay, and add honey in malai and apply over your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. This is ultimate for dry skin. If you're using this one, this is more than enough. You don't need to use anything else if you're using this remedy. Now moving on to third remedy. So third remedy is banana. Banana is again moisturizing thing. If you're using banana, so take banana and add you can apply banana as it is, or even if you wish, you can add honey in banana and mix it well and apply that banana over your face. This is also very good thing for dry skin. So girls, these are three home remedies. These all are so simple. You don't need to go out for searching any of them. I told you all these very simple things you can find out in your kitchen very simply. So just use any of them and you definitely will see the result. So guys, I think along with DIY or home remedies, you have to take care of your skin. You have to moisturize your skin twice in a day before going to bed and in morning. This is completely enough. So girls, I hope you like this video and this video helps you. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and just share this video to your other friends also. And if you want to watch video on hair care routine and skincare routine for teenagers, you can watch it off. I'll have give the link in my I button or also in my description box. You can go and watch it off. And yes, for this time, for now, I'm signing off. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.